新费用或变更费用的预算。既然现在您已经清楚地了解了当前的消费习惯，那么您可以制定一个前瞻性的预算，以便知道如何在购买新房后花钱。这使您可以决定每月目标的按揭付款。现在做什么？决定您每个月能够支付的费用。您每月房屋支付总额包括抵押贷款本金、利息、财产税、房主保险和其他任何贷款保险。估算电、天然气、电视、水和其他所需的房屋所有权每月的费用，例如房主协会 HOA 会费，也需要估算房屋维护和改善的费用。除了您每月的房屋支付总额外，请确保您有足够的钱来支付这些费用。考虑一下您购买房屋后的预算，并决定每个月为紧急情况和其他目标节省多少钱。
Budget for new or changed expenses. Now that you have a clear picture of your current spending habits, you can develop a forward-looking budget for how you'll spend your money once you bought a new home. This lets you decide on a target monthly home payment. What to do now? Decide how much you can afford to spend on a total monthly home payment. Your total monthly home payment includes mortgage principal, interest, property taxes, homeowner's insurance, and any mortgage insurance. Estimate expenses for electricity, gas, cable, water, and other required monthly costs of home ownership, such as condo or homeowners association dues, HOA. Also estimate expenses for home maintenance and improvements. Make sure you will have enough money to pay for these costs in addition to your total monthly home payment. Think about what your budget will be once you have bought your home, and decide how much you want to be saving each month for emergencies and other goals.